Welcome back, guys. So this is a review video for Philips mixer. Actually, we bought one mixer which was less price, but it was not performing well. It used to take more time in beating the eggs or anything. So we bought this new one. It cost around 2000 rupees from Amazon. So this is from Philips. This is the costliest available on the Amazon. So let's unbox it. It looks heavy. It's look much more balanced. There is 2 years warranty on this product, so that is one of the good things. In a couple of years you can, if you have any issues, you can contact the customer service. So this is the other thing for dough. If you want any kind of flours, you want to make a dough, then you can use this. This thing we need to use for beating. Either it could be cream or egg white, anything such, for making cake mixes. Let's insert it. Here, if you see now, this feature is for ejecting. Suppose if you already inserted, let me just insert it. It's very easy to insert actually in this particular product. So suppose you insert it like this, and if you press it, then it will be easily. So this is one additional feature, and this is the 5 levels. 0 is for if it is off first, and this is the maximum speed. Okay, so that's it, and I will show you quick demo, but later on you might see this product in use when we will make some dishes with it. So for now, I kept it on 0. So this for off. This is the turbo button. If you press it, it will speed up. Suppose it is in this video, you want to speed it up, then you can do it. And once it is done, it will be out. So that's it from this video. This Philips product is really worth it. If you have no money constraints, then go for it, because it's much more reliable and you might need less time to prepare anything. That's it.